Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from All India PMT 1992. Based on rotational motion, the speed of homogeneous solid sphere after rolling down an inclined plane of vertical height h from rest without sliding is. So student, here is a sphere of mass m and radius r, which is rolling down from this inclined plane without sliding. So student, here potential energy of the sphere changes in two parts: kinetic energy plus kinetic energy, linear kinetic energy plus kinetic energy of rotation. So potential energy at height h is mgh and linear potential energy is half mv square plus half I omega square. Half mv square, you know that moment of inertia for a solid sphere is 2y5 mr square about its axis. So half of 2y5 mr square into omega square, and you also know that b equal to r omega. So v square equal to r square omega square. So we put here v square. So half of mv square plus half into 2y5 mv square. Therefore this become half mv square plus 1y5 mv square, and this is 10 is LCM, so 5 mv square plus 2 mv square, this is 7 by 10 mv square total kinetic energy, which is given by mgh. So 7 by 10 mv square, is cancelled, we got that 10 gh upon 7 equal to v square. Therefore velocity of the solid sphere is under root 10 gh upon 7. So student, answer of this question is found in option A of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.